Hi guys, we are here at Fairmont. At pupunta na tayo sa ating room. Let's go. Okay, we're going up. Fairmont Road.
Tapit.
Topic ka dyan. Ay, oo nga.
Papasabi lang na ito.
Siya nga lang. So let's go inside. So this is our room for our stay here. May bathtub. Ang ganda na naman ng tissue holder. Meron akong fetish ng mga tissue holder. What's this? Okay, complete toiletries. Guys, tingnan nyo. Ang kanilang body lotion, Le Labo. Intended really for Fairmont. Diba? Of course. Definitely ang kanilang mga ang kanilang mga shampoo at conditioner and shower gel. Le Labo. Sosyal. At napaka-sosyal ang kanilang sabon. Okay, mayroong bidet. We have separate toilet and shower area. For the shower area, of course, kompleto yan. As always, bathroom. And then, we have safe. What's this? Blower. So, ano ko? Cabinet, of course. Oops. And merong, ano nga ito? Laundry bag. Ay, I'm sorry. Chinelas pala to. May chinelas. Dalawa. Slippers, of course. Hangers. And your cabinet. This one, of course, may pa-umbrella. At saka pwede kang mag-iron ng iyong clothes. Ano to? Dandaradan. Oh! They have a, ang cute naman. Ngayon lang ako nakaka-experience ng mini ref. And, yung kanilang mga glass. Very organized. Oh. Diba? Tignan natin kung may laman yung ref. Tama ba? Oops. Yeah. Meron ding laman. Bottled water, juice, and pill. Complementary kaya to? Parang oo eh. Mini bar list. Based on your patient. Ay, item requested will be charged to your account. Okay, fine. So, in short, di siya complementary. Mixed walnuts, dried mango, patis, char. Ano to? Rum. May inumin pa rin.
Pag inangat mo yan, automatic nagbibil.
Zero. Dark chocolate. Kala ko yung chocolate na to ni Mr. Beast eh. Aray ko. Nabe. Nespresso, of course. So, banana chips, mushroom, crackers, seaweed, and that's it. So, very organized ang kanilang bar area. I think the Nespresso is complimentary, of course. Other than that, may charge na. But we also have to check on it. Okay. Connecting room. TV. King size bed. Okay. Oh, switch. Alam mo, ang galing nila mag-ano. Ang galing. Mukha kasing, mukhang minimalist. Minimalist ba tawag doon? Pero nakatago lahat ng mga ano nila. Like for example, this one, oh, yung outlet hand. Tinan mo. Ayan, no? Oo. Parang sobrang plain lang and simple. Pero embedded lahat ng mga ano nila gamit. Like this one, oh. See? They have this. And of course, since nasa Makati tayo, it's the Central Business District of the Philippines or in Metro Manila. Hindi mawawala ang ating work area. Diba? So, for all your work needs, etc. Ayan. Meron kang table. Meron kang pen and paper. Meron silang portable charger, Han.
Ha?
Yeah.
Paano yun?
Ayan, no? Portable charger tawag dyan, diba? At wireless phone. Galing. Tapos tinan mo lahat ng mga wires nandito. Lahat ng mga wires nandito din, oh. Ang galing, Amazed. No? Sobrang neat. Kasi yung mga outlets nasa loob. Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Ano yung view mo?
Okay, mamaya tayo sa view. Merong sofa. At for sure, meron na naman ditong outlet. O, diba? Ang galing. Galing, no? Amazing. Pangit. Sabi na, alam niya na yung sasabihin ko. At ang view natin ay... What area is this? Yung sa likod.
Nice.
Arnais ba yun? Yung, I think. Yung sa likod. Hindi ko makita yung street eh. San Loville. San Lorenzoville.
Nice.
Yeah, Arnais, no? So, nasa likod yung natin view.
Ay, ang ganda ng sinelas.
Really? Ano? Let me see.
Yung basinelas niya maganda.
Kasha ba?
Ayan.
Hello guys! We are here at Fairmont Hotel in Makati. At ang ating room for today is a king-size bed. Good for 2 packs. Okay? You can avail this through Klook. Just type EPLT Klook to avail 5% discount on hotel and activities here in Metro Manila. We are here at the 4th level. So, nandito yung spa, fitness center, hair salon, and elevator sa Raffles. Dito din pala yung access. Ang ganda, oh. Ganda nito sa lamin. Dito din yung access sa Let's check. This is the spa. Hi, good evening.
Welcome to Fairmont Spa.
So this is the spa. Yeah, we're just checking. Thank you.
Check lang natin.
Check natin yung ating mga presyo dito.
Ang laki ng spa nila.
Massage. Okay.
We do have here is steam room and mineral pool. It's free of charge for all in-house guests from 8 a.m. until 10 p.m.
Ay, really?
Yes, would you like to
Yeah,
book?
can-
Ayan, assist you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah,
Yes.
free of use.
Ano
Do we
siya?
have to reserve it ahead of time? Or anytime we can walk in? Salamat.
Ano siya?
Steam.
And,
Ano nga?
Steam room and jacuzzi po, yung
Jacuzzi.
mineral pool na.
talaga?
It's separate po for male and female.
So, hindi pala tayo magkasama. Walang couple.
They have couples, hot tub.
Really?
Kasama po siya sa treatment.
Sa treatment. Okay. If you avail the treatment, parang gano'n. Any treatment?
No ma'am, they have, they call the couples retreat.
Okay.
Here for you, sir. Ito po yung natin. Facilities natin.
Okay.
Here's our locker area.
Okay.
If you want to access, you need to
May key card.
no bracelet.
Okay. We have to ask for the
Then
bracelet.
ito po yung changing room. If you want an extra towel, they have also.
Okay.
Then they have also
Vanity area. Okay.
to blow dry,
Yeah.
spray net.
Mm.
And also, dyan lang, we have a complimentary fruit and
Okay.
flavored water. Ito lang yung toilet natin.
Okay.
And then, our shower, steam room, and our juice.
Nice.
Open ko lang yung locker, Ma'am.
Sige. Thank you. Shower area. And steam room. Open it. Ay. Talagang ano lang. Okay. Uy, nice. Sarap. And this is the jacuzzi.
Here, cold water.
Oh. Is it ano? Hot? Ano siya?
40 degrees Celsius. 40 degrees. Nakahati na kami. Ito naman is 45 degrees.
Nice.
We have also a wet lounge. And then a flavored water.
So this one nga is from what time?
Open po siya ng 8 a.m. to 10 p.m.
8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Thank you. Fitness center. We are going to check.
You can tap your key lang po pag access.
Okay. Sige. Ay, baka may tao.
Ito po. Open 24 hours po tayo dito. And then, they have also water dispenser, touchless po siya. And then, cold towel. And then,
Kompleto.
fruits din po.
Okay.
Pwede pa
So, hindi na tayo masyadong...
Meron po ditong space. If you want to stretch, yoga.
Yoga, yeah.
Ito siya, yung space natin.
Okay. So, may yoga mats
Also,
din
yes po. They have also yoga mat there and they have also din po sa front.
sa kabila.
Pag gagamit lang po kayo po, mag-register lang po kayo ng name, your number, and then bibigyan po kayo ng towel, and then i-offer din po sa inyo yung headset natin for the cardio.
Okay. Yeah, the cardio. This is facing ano, ate? Greenbelt tree. Grabe traffic, no? Okay. Oo nga eh. This is 24 hours ate, no?
Yung gym lang po.
Yung gym? Okay. Pwede ka pala bumaba dito anytime, no? Meron naman tayo sa...
Mag-treadmill ka dito. Ay, sorry po.
Ayan.
Bali yung ano po natin is touchless po siya. Gaganyanin nyo lang po din, aapakan nyo po.
Okay. High-tech, no, ate?
Yung cold towel dito. Yung scale din po.
Okay, wag natin anuhin yan. Pansinin.
Ayun po yung mga yoga mat namin for
Oh, okay. Thank you. Raffles. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Ngayon sa Raffles, this is the connecting area or yung elevator going to the 9th floor. So, this is the, yeah, good evening. So, ito yung available na ano,
Swimming pool area.
swimming pool area ng Raffles.
Heated ba yung pool?
Ay, no, sir. Yung warm po natin is yung kiddie pool lang. Kung gusto niyo po ng, ano, sir, may steam room and jacuzzi po tayo.
Ay, nakita na.
Ayun.
Bukas na.
Opo.
What time nag-open, kuya?
6 a.m. ma'am until 10 p.m.
Until 10, okay. Pero you don't have the bar area, o?
Ma'am, meron po tayong pool bar po, pero hanggang 7 p.m. lang.
Late na tayo.
Yung sa baba. Ayun sa Fairmont na bar. Hanggang
Bale, sir,
Wala
pareha po
ngayon
yung
eh.
oras, pero under renovation.
Yeah.
pa. Kaya allowed po tayo ngayon.
This is cafe macaron. Obviously. May sandwich, salad, pasta, coffee, breakfast. So we are going to avail our welcome drink here. Wine, beer, cocktails, coffee, soda, juice, or mocktail. Uy, gusto ko ng mocktail. At tignan natin ang menu. O-order tayo in a while. So, ito yung menu nila. Available dito. Pizza, pasta, and Filipino food, Asian, Arabic, Indian, Western, what else? Desserts, mga drinks, non-alcoholic, coffee, chai, Sprite, alcoholic, and puro mga alcoholic dito, grabe. Lahat ng klase ng alcohol. Okay, so dami alcohol. Anyways, we are going to order pizza.
Isa lang siguro.
Okay.
Medyo busog pa ako.
So guys, ito na naman yung dilemma natin. Ang lakas na naman ng ulan kanina. So minito sa hindi na naman tayo makakatambay sa roof deck or rooftop. So we cannot also experience the bar. So wala. We ordered 5 pieces. This one is 450. But if you are going to order for, ano lang, for piece, something like that. So, 90 pesos. So, itong 450 na to, meaning to say, half price lang.
So magkano siya?
225. So, then, ang mga in-order green bean. That's right. Salted or